There are many options and tools designed to help you grow your business on Amazon. This video aims to introduce you to Seller University, where you can learn about these options and tools, including navigating through Seller Central, understanding product identifiers, getting category approval, and much more. To launch a successful business and stay on course, follow the free video tutorials as they cover each sales step and demystify the process of selling on Amazon. Master Seller Central by learning key tools and applications. Seller University courses teach sellers what they need to know, when they need to know it, from adding products to managing prices, to increasing visibility and then receiving and fulfilling orders. Your next step is to learn about Amazon fees, payments, and maintaining account health. Choosing programs like Fulfillment by Amazon helps sellers to focus on business building, while Amazon is taking care of storage, shipping, returns, and customer service. You can learn about advertising, brand registry, deals and coupons, Amazon handmade products, and more. Visit Seller University to learn various Amazon programs and why they matter for your business and get started. Understanding and employing the tools at your disposal is only the beginning. Amazon continuously adds ideas and launch opportunities to take your business to the next level. Ready to learn how? From your Seller Central homepage, hover over the Performance tab, select Seller University, and click on Start Here to view the Quick Start Guide. This will help you kickstart your business. You can also browse additional topics to enhance your knowledge. These videos are available on YouTube as well. Subscribe to our Amazon Seller University channel. Visit sellercentral.amazon.com/learn and start learning today. Thank you and happy selling!